Hi guys, welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. On today's episode we are making a super easy and delicious recipe, Quesadillas de Pollo. Coming up. The ingredients in this recipe are enough for 2 quesadillas. Let's go over the ingredients. 2 chicken breasts, which are already pre-cut, extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, 1 cube of sofrito or 1 tablespoon of sofrito. For my sofrito recipe, I will have the link in the description box down below. 2 cloves of garlic minced, 1 lime, 2 flour tortillas, and 1 cup of Mexican blend cheese. Let me show you a quick clip of all the ingredients that are in my sofrito. Or instead of using the seasonings that I'm using, you may use store-bought taco seasoning. However, the quesadillas will taste meh. Set your skillet to medium heat and pour some olive oil, about 2 tablespoons. Begin by sauteing the garlic and let the garlic release all its flavor. Give it about a minute or so. It's time to add the sofrito, and let's saute the sofrito for about 1 minute as well. Dame sofrito, yo necesito. Remember to check out my homemade sofrito recipe. It will change the way you cook completely. Place your chicken in, and we're going to cook the chicken for about 7 to 8 minutes. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Give that a mix so all the chicken get all that flavor from the garlic and the sofrito. The chicken has been cooking for about 3 minutes. Let's go ahead and add the lime juice. Squeeze that juice in that chicken. That's going to enhance the flavor tremendously. Continue cooking for about 5 more minutes. My chicken is done. It cooked for a total time of about 8 minutes. Now it's time to put the chicken quesadillas together. Now, set your skillet to medium-low heat and pour some olive oil. Once your skillet gets warm, place 1 tortilla on. Place the chicken on the tortilla. I'd say about 1 full chicken breast if you're really hungry, like me. That looks pretty good. Now add some cheese on top of the chicken. I am using a Mexican blend, however, you may use any kind of cheese that you like. Remember, this is a chicken quesadilla, so make it cheesy. Let's close the tortilla by folding it in half over the chicken. With a spatula, press down on the quesadilla. You don't want anything falling out of it. We're going to cook it for about 2 minutes on this side. And remember, the heat needs to be on low to medium heat. You don't want to burn your tortilla. It has been cooking on this side for about 2 minutes. It's time to flip. Look, it's looking good already. Now by flipping it, the cheese is on that hot skillet and it's going to melt. A couple of minutes later, we flip it again so the cheese ends on top of the chicken and our quesadilla is done. Now it's time to serve. This is one of those quick meals that you can make any time of the day and everybody loves. We're going to top it off with sour cream and some homemade guacamole. For my guacamole recipe, I will have the link to my guacamole video in the description box down below. And you guys know what time it is. It is serving time. I am so hungry for this quesadilla. I'm gonna tear it up. Now, cut it in 4 different pieces so it's easy to grab and eat. Let's give it a try. Hungry. Wow, that chicken tastes so good. With the homemade sofrito, homemade guacamole, the garlic flavor, the lime. It is just amazing. Super fantastic and very easy to make. And there you guys have it. Chicken quesadilla. Enjoy! If you guys enjoyed this recipe, please consider subscribing, give it a thumbs up, leave me some comments down below, and I think YouTube wants you to watch that recipe and that recipe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye, thanks for watching.